Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use the old bolt for now. It's nothing wrong with it. I'm going to put NICs on it so you can get it apart. Alright, I'm going to put it right here for now. These are the little bushings that go in. One goes this way, one goes that way, down in that square hole where the pin goes. This slides on both sides, one on that side and one on this side. Okay, we're going to be putting those in a minute. So I'm going to slide this in here where it just starts inside the hole. I'm going to try to get these in without them falling out. I'm not putting no goop or anything on these because I don't want any dirt to get to them. So I'm going to put one here where it belongs. Pull this back just a hair more. Might have to go a little farther back. Those are hard to get in. Okay, I got one in. Just going to get this partially started right here. The other way. Okay. Then I have this one on this side to get in, which is put back in here on the corner. And it's quite hard to get them in here against your fingers. But it can be done. Okay, then I slide this in between them. Looks like it's in. Oop. There we go. Then this goes a little farther in until we. Okay, now. Both of the plastic pieces are in, so that keeps this guided in there. Now, under here is a spring, and I got to put a thing on there.